What's up guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you 10 really cool tricks you could use as a plumber. Let's get started. Alright, so if you've ever been stuck trying to find a way to cut a plastic pipe with no access, here's a sweet trick that'll help you out. Snag yourself some masonry cord, wrap it around your pipe, and use a sawing motion to cut through it. Who knew you'd be flossing on the job? If ever you work in a tight spot and don't have a shelf to free up a hand, grab your torpedo level and make one. Now you can hang a screwdriver or store some driver bits on it and you're sure not to drop them. As a plumber, carrying sheet goods is a possible thing in a day. Here's a neat way to do it effortlessly. Get any size pipe wrench and clinch it on tight to serve as a grip. They always said it, work smarter, not harder. You were cutting a copper pipe and your cutting wheel snapped. That's a bummer. Most pipe cutters have a spare cutting wheel in the knob. Bet you didn't know that one. If your pipe wrenches aren't cutting it and you need longer ones but don't have any, cut yourself 2 sections of any plastic pipe and use them as levers to aid you in the process. If ever you need to tighten a nut but don't have a ratchet extension, I gotcha. Grab some type M copper that has a long enough reach and hit the nut as straight as you can, just like this. It'll take its shape and you'll be able to use it in your hard to reach area. A reciprocating saw is a must on any job site, but if for whatever reason you can't find the blade for it, you can alternatively use a hacksaw blade to get you out the pit. Just make sure to start off nice and slow. Are you tired of this? Let me show you an easy fix. Just when you're about ready to apply your solder, wipe off all the excess flux and proceed to soldering. This will inhibit any dripping that might normally occur on vertical joints. If for whatever reason you kinked a PEX line, here's a cool little trick that'll set you apart from all the others. Get your plumber's torch and heat up the kink. The plastic will slowly turn clear and take back its original shape. Shark bite fittings can be difficult to remove without the proper tool. Here are 2 alternatives that work surprisingly well. Either use an adjustable wrench like this one, adjust the pipe size and pull, or use an appropriate size talon to get that sucker off. And as a bonus, I'll leave this trick here and let you guys figure it out. You need to be a black belt plumber to be able to manage this one. Hoo-yah! And as always, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more cool upcoming videos. Until the next time, thanks for watching.